Federal prosecutors are pulling the plug on their investigation of State Senator Jim Norman. The FBI and a federal grand jury have been investigating Norman for more than a year following our I-Team report on an undisclosed vacation home he owned. Chief Investigator Alan Cohn broke the story and joins us now with the latest. Alan?
Brendan, the announcement this afternoon is good news for Norman, but it doesn't mean his legal problems are over. It does mean, however, he won't face federal charges. At the center of the federal investigation was this lakefront vacation home in an Arkansas resort community, which didn't appear on Jim Norman's public disclosure forms. And it was Norman's explanation to the I-Team when we asked if his wife Merlene got the money for the home from the late Tampa businessman Ralph Hughes, which led the FBI to begin investigating.
Are you saying that it's possible that Mr. Hughes gave her the money to invest in that property?
I'm not. What my wife does with investors that don't come before the county commission for any decisions whatsoever. What my wife does with her business is her business.
The fact is, Ralph Hughes did come before the county commission when Norman was a member of it. But former prosecutor L.T. Lafferty says the question was whether investigators could find evidence of a specific vote by Norman in exchange for the $500,000 Hughes gave to Mrs. Norman to buy the house.
Why did Jim Norman have that gift paid upon to his wife? Did he give Ralph Hughes a particularly favorable vote during his county commission days? That's what the government has to be able to prove.
Apparently, the government wasn't able to do that. A federal grand jury listened to witnesses, including Hughes' son Shay, but they could not hear from the businessman who has since died. So in a statement, U.S. Attorney Robert O'Neill announced a diligent investigation by federal investigators failed to uncover evidence of a violation of federal criminal law by State Senator Jim Norman. As a result, this office is closing the current investigation. In response, Norman's attorney released a statement on behalf of him and his wife, saying, while they have always believed that Senator Norman would be exonerated, the couple wishes to thank all of those who have continuously offered their friendship and support during this difficult time. But Norman's problems may not be over. Sources say federal prosecutors could forward their findings to state prosecutors. And there is a pending ethics complaint about Norman before the State Commission on Ethics. Alan Cohn, ABC Action News.